June the 11th, 2014. Guys, this is the 5-minute data flux chart out of Boulder. Now, we just had an X1 flare. You notice the 5-minute chart, it looks like it's just under X, but they rate it using the 1-minute data chart because it's more accurate. See this? So that gives us 4 X flares in 24 hours. This is stereo behind. It's behind Earth as they rotate to the right around the sun. That means what you see come out of the right of stereo behind is semi-Earth directed, but that's a wide range. But what it's telling us, it's the same flare, and I'll show you that on the SDO to the right, not Earth facing. But guys, remember, each day this group of sunspots advances around, it becomes more Earth facing. So that's 2 days in a row with X flares. Check this out. Very similar to the first image from yesterday, but notice it's not right on the edge of the sun any longer. It takes about 14 days to go all the way, halfway around the sun. Now, there's your other flare. Again, 2 very strong flares. If it hadn't been for the X flare, that strong M flare, we've been talking about that because that one's powerful in itself. Now, check this out. That small group to the top, on this camera, you can see that it's starting to grow and get small flares. So we're going to watch it. The group to the bottom right, we still have the components there for X flares. The whole sun is very active, guys. We are just now reaching solar maximum. Okay? They've determined that, and something unique about this solar maximum, guys, in 28 through 2011, we had the longest solar minimum in 100 years. It just quietened down. Now, this is the first solar max since the longest quiet period. Just a heads up on that. Now, this is Earth facing, LASCO C2. To the left, you saw the energy come out just the same way. Now, these guys will never learn, but they're saying now yesterday's double X flare may have produced a geo-effective CME after all. At first, it appeared that the Earth was outside the line of fire. No, it didn't. If you see an X flare, it's geo-effective. These guys, come on, man. Y'all wake up. That's why you be suspicious of your observers, the ones that just read these NOAA reports, guys, and don't look at the instruments for themselves. And listen, when you got X flares and they don't know it's a CME that's directed towards the Earth, come on. You know, you need to have a heads up and be prepared for that. Anyway, here's the solar disk. 2090 is not listed at the top in the white arrow, but you notice that 2080 is still beta gamma delta. But again, I've said this, the X flares have all come from 2087. That's this sunspot, and it's moving to the right. It's over the next 14 days, we'll deal with this sunspot. We also have other ones forming. Again, I think the important part to remember is we have Comet Jock coming in on the right, where these sunspots are coming in at the time we're reaching solar maximum. We'll talk about it. Heads up, be safe.